Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Inalsa MasterChef 19BKR Oven Toaster Griller. A lot of specifications are mentioned here along with an illustration of the OTG right over here. And this is a very standard looking OTG. It comes with a capacity of 19 liters, 60 minutes timer with stay on function, toughened see-through glass, 100 to 250 degrees Celsius temperature control, 6-stage heat selection, motorized rotisserie, power indicator, rust-proof powder-coated body with SS door clip and control panel, wave wire grill tray, enameled baking pan, SS skewer rods, crumb tray, tray handle and rotisserie set as well. This is a 1300 watt powered OTG, and it also comes with 2 years of warranty. That's more or less all the information on this box. I will open it and show you what's inside. So this is the second box. Over here you can see it's written MasterChef 19BKR Oven Toaster Griller. There's also an image of the OTG right over here along with a close-up of all the dials on this side. And it says motorized rotisserie, heating 1300 watt and 2 years of warranty. Basically the same information as the previous box. So I will open this and show you the OTG inside. Okay, so this is the OTG. This is the Inalsa MasterChef 19BKR OTG. This comes with a rust-proof powder-coated body, as you can see. So this is the front side. You can see now the front side. These are the 3 dials in question. This is the timer, which, by the way, I'll tell you, it works even when it's not powered in. This is a dial timer right over here. These are all the different presets for different kind of function that this OTG can perform, and this is the one that controls the temperature, as you can see. It also asks you to register over here. It's basically asking you to download the Inalsa Connect app to register with the company website. And there's also this SS clip door which is attached which is sealed right now. We'll just unseal it for you. There you go. This is the SS clip door in question. Snaps right back, as you can see. Not just that, there are a lot of elements inside as well. For instance, there are these grooves where the trays and etc. will fit, and this is basically your griller. And speaking of extra elements, we have these things as well. This is a crumb tray, and this is your grilling tray. Furthermore, we have this pack over here. Let's see what's in it. And over here we have a baking tray. There you go. This is an enameled baking tray. This is a rotisserie handle and along with a rotisserie rod right over here. We also have, okay, so these are tied together. I can't seem to take it out. But yeah, so this is basically a pan handle, and these are some skewers that comes with it. So if you want to make skewers, these are the ones that you're going to use. We also have a instruction manual come warranty card from Inalsa. This is for the MasterChef and QuickChef OTGs. Everything that you want to know is specified right over here, including some recipes as well. There you can see there's a recipe book added as well. Actually, in fact, half of it is a recipe book. This is a very good addition. So let's quickly put the trays in over here. So this tray can go in. This tray goes in over here. The crumb tray can go in over here, and let's put the grill over here for now. So this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Inalsa MasterChef 19BKR Oven Toaster Griller. Thank you for watching.